Yes,
Okay. Hello everyone. Good evening. This is Professor Akash Gawade from Rajmata Jijav Shikshan Prasarak Mandals Institute of Computer and Management Research at MBA Department. Today, I'm going to discuss with you the subject Service Operation Management Part 2, having subject code 304 OSCM. In that, I'm going to discuss with you a chapter 2 Service Quality. Let's start from the part number 1. In part number 1, I'm going to discuss with you the some of the key points are there. The first one is defining service quality and quality services, dimensions of service quality, necessity of paying attention to of services, benefits of arising from service quality, gaps in service quality, the 5 gaps models of service quality, next measuring service quality, that is methods of measuring service quality, then quality services by design, and the last topic is incorporation of quality in the service package. Let's start in brief one by one. The first one is defining service quality. Okay. Service quality generally refers to a customer's comparison of service expectations as it relates to a company's performance. Okay. See, a businesses with a high level of service quality is likely capable of meeting customer needs while also remaining economically competitive in the respective industry. This is your the service quality. That means which type of services you are delivering to the customer, okay, and which way, okay, you are maintaining your the standard, okay. Quality means is your the services is as per the customer's requirement. This is your the service quality of the your the particular product, okay. If you your organizations are delivering the maintenance services to the customer, then the customer are really satisfied about your the services, okay. That means this is your the service quality, okay. Then the next one is your the features of services. Okay, there are 4 types of features of the services are there. The first one is intangible. Okay, the next one is inseparable. Next heterogeneous, and the last one is non-store. Okay, intangible means what? Okay, the services are immaterial and intangible. Okay, these features maybe reduce the customer's trust. Okay, that means you must have to give that type of features to the customer. Okay, that means your customers are satisfied about the features of your the product. The second one is inseparable. Okay, it means the services come to consumed at a moment of produce. Conversely, goods process of production, storage and distribution are not separate. The next one is your the heterogeneous. Okay, it means services always is unique and never they're duplicated are not identical. That means if you are delivering the particular type of services to the customer, that means make sure that, okay, whatever the services you are delivering to the customer, they are unique, okay, and it cannot be easily copied by your competitors. Okay, that means this is your the heterogeneous service quality. Okay, the next heterogeneous service quality features, and the last one is non-store. Okay, services are destroyed. In other words, they are not stored. Okay. See, you know that what is the difference between the service and the particular type of the product. Okay, services, that means if you are get the particular type of services, okay, that means you can't be storing. Okay, this is the service. Okay, not store service. Okay, this is the features of your the service quality. Okay, if you are going to maintain, okay, maintenance of your the maintain your car, okay, that means the maintenance is not a storing. Okay, that means it is not a product. Okay, that means you are taking the particular type of services. Okay, that means it is a non-storable. Okay, this is the features of your the service. Okay, the next one is quality of services. Okay, let's see the common factors of service quality are: the first one is your the process quality, the next one is product quality, the next one is physical quality, Next one is interactive quality, and the last one is your the organizational quality. Okay, see, services are quality that if can satisfy the customer's needs and demands and the provided service consistent with customer expectations or will be beyond it. Okay, right? This is your the quality of the services. Okay, the process quality. Process quality means what? The process and the production methods, quality, and provide the services to the customer. Okay, that means say customers wants a particular car. Okay, then which kind of a process you are needs to be done on the particular product. That means the car will be manufactured. Okay, that type of processes. Okay, see, that means which type of processes you are going to be used, okay, for making a particular product. That type of processes also having the quality. Okay, this is your the process quality. The next one is your the product quality. Okay, it means it is evaluated after the product services. In fact, product is what the customer get from the organization. Okay, product quality means this is the final product, okay, which you are going to deliver to your the customer. Okay, that means your customer are actually satisfied or the features you are produced all are as per the requirement of the customer. Okay, if it is as per the customer requirement, that means your product having the quality. This is your the, this is all about your the product quality. The next one is your the physical quality. Okay, it refers to a goods or services the product supports or cases. Physical quality means, okay, you can say gesture, okay, and also look of a particular product. Okay, the dimensions are as per the customer's requirement. This is all about the physical quality. Okay, it is aesthetically okay by the customer. This is your the physical quality. Then interactive quality. Okay, see, it refers to interaction between customers and service provider. Interactive quality. Okay, whenever you are going to deliver a particular services to the customer, okay, how you are going to interact with the customer. Okay, that means how your employer are going to interact with the customer, in which way. Okay, they are having the quality, they are maintaining the communication standard. Okay, all about that. Okay, this is your the interactive quality of your the services. The next one is your the organization quality. Okay, it is related to mental image and perception total from organization. Generally, the organization quality is an intangible dimensions. Okay, see, organization quality. Okay, means overall services you are going to deliver to the particular customer. Okay, your organizations are maintaining the standard on a regular basis. This is your organization quality. That means at every time, okay, whenever customer are going to take a particular services from your organizations, the customer are always happy, the customer are always satisfied about your the service quality. Okay, if the customer are satisfied about your the overall quality of your the services which your organizations are giving to the customer at always, at every time, that means you are, your organizations must have to maintain the quality at every time whenever you are delivering the this type of services to the customer. This is your the all about your the organization quality. The next one is your the dimensions of service quality. Okay, the first one is available. Okay, communications, competencies, humility, reliability, trust, responding, security, understand, tangible factor. Okay, that means these are the dimensions of a service quality. Okay, that means if you are delivering the particular product to the customer, that means you must have to giving or you must have to provide the particular type of a services related to the product to the customer. Okay, this is, this is the availability of services. Communication. Okay, which type of communication medium you are using to delivering the particular type of services to the customer, you know, or messaging basis, on direct calling basis. Okay, this is your the communication competencies. Okay, as compared to your competitor. Okay, your services is better. and which on which way. Okay, what you are giving the best to the customer as compared to your comment, humility, reliability, the trust, responding, security. See, means what? Okay, whatever types of services you are giving to the customer, okay, you must have to maintain the particular type of standard. You are giving the best services at every time to the customer. Okay, and after whenever you are delivering the services to the customer, okay, how the customer are respond to your services. Okay, you must have to take the feedback from that. Okay, this is your the responding trust, security, and the reliability. Okay, understand and tangible factors. Okay, see, this is all about your the service quality of your the product. Okay, you must have to understand the demand of the customer. You must have to always make a fulfill the customer requirement related to the service. See, this is your the dimensions of service quality. The next one is your the necessity of paying attention to of service quality. Okay, the reasons for the provided high quality services by the organizations. Okay, it includes the first one is your the increasing customer expectations. Okay, generally the customer expectations have rise than past. Okay, increasing customer expectations may relate to several factors. Okay, including increased customer awareness and knowledge, organizations, advertising, and competitors' performance. See, increasing customer expectations. Why the customer expectations are increases day by day? Because the customer are aware about your the quality, the features, okay, of the competitors product also and your product also. Okay. That's why the customer demands will be increases day by day. Okay, right now you know that. Okay, there are a lot of number of the companies, okay, which are making a particular mobile handset phone. Okay, that means the organizations must know that, okay, which kind of a knowledge the customer have. Because right now the everyone, okay, that means we know that, okay, how much RAM is needed now, how much ROM is needed now, okay, which kind of a processor, okay, are going are used by the other competitors product or the your friends, you can say your friend. Okay, which type of mobile handset your friend have. Okay, that means you should get the particular type of information related to the your mobile handset. Okay, by internet also, by your friend colleague also. Okay, that means there are a lot of ways are available. Okay, to make awareness about your the particular mobile handset phone. Okay, that's why, okay, the customer demand are increasing day by day. Because you know that, okay, iPhone are giving low megapixel camera at the 60,000 rupees. But for example, okay, 60,000 rupees. Okay, iPhone are delivering a low megapixel camera. Okay, by 60,000 rupees. But your other mobile handset, okay, they are delivering more than more than the pixel of your camera that the Apple are delivering. That means the customer must should aware that, okay, that means there is a different type of features. See, the Samsung having the 5 megapixel handset, but they having the 10,000 cost. Okay, the Redmi having the 10 megapixel camera, but they also having the 10,000 cost. Okay, that means this is the difference. That's why the customer are aware, all customer are always aware about the particular type of features. That means your organizations must have to pay the attention towards that and fulfill the customer requirement. That's why the increasing the customers expectations day by day. The next one is your the competitive activity. Okay, see, the competitors by continuous changing of own services and how to provide to customers are constantly do changing markets, and they are seek to increase their market share. This act will compel others take steps in order to improve through their services. Competitor activity. Okay, which type of service strategy or which type of sales strategy your competitors are using. Okay, by making sure that, okay, or by taking the reference of that, okay, you must have to use that type of a service or that type of a sales strategy to sell your the product. Okay, then the environmental factors. Okay, forced to provide a high quality services factors of legal and political, economic, social and cultural to organizations. Additionally, today, by expanding access to the internet, customers can easily obtain information from around the world. Environmental factors. Okay, environmental factors. Okay, right now you want a more megapixel camera. This is your the environmental factor. Okay, that means the demand of the market. Okay, which type of a demand the market have. This is your the environmental factors. Okay, you want a lot of features with a low price. This is your the environmental factors. Okay, the organizations must have to pay the attention towards this. The next one is your the service nature. Evaluation of services quality is problem considering attributes of services for its recipients. For this reason, the customer considering services, physical evidence, and employees' behavior do evaluation the service quality, the service nature. Okay, that means which kind of services are going to be delivered. Okay, service nature. Okay, we can say right now you will get everything. Okay, at a home delivery, as a home delivery. Okay, you just have to order a particular product. Okay, you will get easily by home delivery. Okay, that means service nature. Your organizations must have to pay the attention towards that which kind of services the customer want, because right now the customer don't have any time, okay, to go away in the market, okay, and search the particular product and take the product. Okay, they, the customer do not have a particular time, the customer do not have that much amount of price to pay, because right now the customer want on an instant basis. Okay, every everything everything where the customer wants. Okay, this is your the service nature. Then the last one is your the organizational internal factors. Organizations by own promoting activity raise customers' expectations and demand. As a result, when customer comes to organizations as expected promised services, thus organization's performance should will be responsive to the expectations of the customer. Organization's internal factors. Okay, that means see whatever you are going to deliver to the customer, you must have to promote the particular thing. Okay, if you are delivering the lot of features than the customer's product, that means you must have to promote your the product. Okay, this is your the organizational internal factors. The next one is your the benefits arising from service quality. Okay, let's see benefits arising from service quality. It is the another factors that encourages organizations to provide high quality services. One of the direct effects is increasing the organization's ability to provide efficient services of customers. Because organizations found their customers have what demand and needs, so reduce or even eliminate from non-essential services. Organizations' profit will increase by increasing the efficiency and effectiveness in providing services. Also, provide a better services to the customers, makes repeats of purchase and spreading positive mouth-to-mouth advertising. Benefits arising from service quality. If your organizations are delivering the best services than your the competitors' product, that means, okay, the customer, okay, who who are using your the services, okay, they also said about your services to their colleagues, friends. Okay, that means this will make your the mouth to mouth publicity. You must have to maintain the service standard of the services which you are going to deliver to the customer. The next one is the gaps in service quality. Okay, what are the customers' expectations? And the next one is the what are the customer perceptions. So first we see what are the customers' expectations. The customers' expectations are the beliefs and assumptions of what an organization produces, product, services, and all around customer services will be like. These ideas can come from an array of sources, including the company's marketing functions, such as AdWords, website, and social media, online review sites, public perceptions of an industry, or friends' recommendations or previous expectations, either with the organizations or similar providers. It's also influenced by factors such as customers' personal needs for the product or services, lifestyle choices, and the background. What are the customers' expectations? If you are the customer of a Tata Motor, that means if you want to buy a particular Tata Motors car, then what's the expectations you have? The first one is features, the next one is your price, the quality. Okay, you are the airbag. Okay. You want a 4-seater car, 6-seater car, 7-seater car. Okay, that means which type of expectations the customer has. If the organizations are not able to satisfy the customer demands, that means there is some gaps in the service quality. Which type of services the customers want, and your organizations are not capable to do that, to make a satisfied about your services to the customer. That means there is some gaps in your service quality. This is the customer expectations are the beliefs and assumptions of what an organization's product, services, and all around customer services will be like. The next one is the what are customer perceptions. Okay. The customer perceptions are how customer feels and regards an organization's product or services after experiencing their offering first time. It means what? There are several emotional and physical determinants customer apply when evaluating their experience. These include accessibility, brand image, service promises, communications, competencies, courtesy, creditability, reliability, responsiveness, and product or services attributes, the tangible characteristics of product or services. For example, we can see that if buy a car, its size, color, shape, and engine size. What's the customer perception about your car? Which type of services your organizations are delivering to the customer? Type of quality of the metals which the organizations using in the car body. Then in case of a tire, your organizations are delivering the tire of MRL, CL, or any other manufacturer. This is all about the perceptions of the customers about the product. Okay. How your car looks like. How much the size of your car? Okay. How many person will seated in the car? This is the perception about the customer. Perceptions of the customer about the product. This is the gaps in service quality. Okay. Anybody having questions? You all are free to ask.